All right, here we go. I had a problem this week with my DJI Phantom controller after flying. I had it for a year and never any problems. And then I get home one day, plug it in, and I realize it's not charging. So what I do is I hit this, and I mean, it's lighting up now, which is great, but it wasn't before. Now, I did some reading online, and apparently there was a simple fix where you just pop these guys off, you find some screws under there, and take this thing out and whatever, and you pop off this back. Now, and then there's a little thing in there, you pull it out, put it back in, and it kind of resets the controller, and your problem's supposed to be fixed, but you also void any warranty you have by doing that. Now, I've had this for a year, so I don't really have a warranty anymore, but I still didn't want to go through with pulling the thing apart. So the one thing I found was that in my reading online, people were saying that the Wi-Fi signal sent out by this to connect to your phone or whatever your device is still active when you have that problem. And so the workaround I found to breaking this thing apart is just grab your device and connect it to the Wi-Fi and leave it overnight. It took probably 12 hours and it sucked the battery straight out of this, which did essentially the same thing as completely resetting it by taking it apart, only I hardly had to do anything. So if you run into that problem, if you don't want to take it apart, you still have a warranty to take care of, just find a device, whether it's a laptop or a cell phone, connect it to your controller, and just be patient, give it 12 to 24 hours, and you should be back in business after that. So while we're at it, I figure I'd show you this little handy case we have here, made by Mustang, got it off of B&H Photo. Fits everything I need for my drones. So here, keep things like business cards, extra stuff. This fits the dedicated phone quite well, which is a Samsung S5. This is our remote controller. This case was actually built for a Phantom 3, and I have a Phantom 3 Advanced, so the controller's a little different. So it fits in a little differently, like I've just got to keep the device thing pointed pretty much exactly like that, and then it fits in quite well. And you got space for one battery, space for two batteries, space for three batteries, space for four. These are some little extra battery packs which I use for the phone if it ever runs out. And here you got space for extra propellers and all sorts of little things, so not that I really ever need those. The shock absorbers for the gimbal, and that's about it. Hopefully you don't run into the same problem with the drone as I had, but if you do, here is a quick fix for you. Thanks for watching.